Listen, man, it's receiving a signal on FM, as you see, busy, right? And I cannot get out of any sound out of here. I'll go to the squelch. I'm sorry, I hit the wrong button. Go to the squelch. And if you see, I keep hitting the wrong button, bro. See, squelch is all the way off. And the volume all the way up on this thing. Volume's all the way up. See? Down low, down up. We can't get any sound. Now when I go into the audio speaker, I have it on both. And there's no sound coming out of here. This AF nonsense is off. So it's, I don't know. I don't know what to do here. How to get sound out of here. I don't know what this AF dual means. I guess we're in dual mode or something, I guess. But then it goes mute. It shows mute AF. I don't know, bro. Can you help me with this, please? I'm having trouble here getting sound on both sides.